Did you hear my jaw crack? I blanked for a bit there. Good job. Hi guys, it's Peitee. Today I have a great bold look for you inspired by this little thing. I hope you will enjoy. I will start with the skin prep and I'm using the Airbrush Away primer. This is just to smooth the skin texture because I'm trying to create a very smooth, fluid skin. To further intensify that glass skin effect, I'm going to be using a serum. It has very small pearl in it, so it will make it look like your skin is illuminating and glowing from within. So I'm actually going to mix a little bit of that also into my foundation, and this is a very natural effect foundation, and I'm just going to start applying that on the skin. Now I'm just using a concealer for places that need a little more coverage. And I'm just going to use an old favorite of mine for under eye concealing. I will also use a setting spray. This is a dewy finish one. I'm not going to use any powder today. I'm going to leave the skin all glowy and glossy, even though it's not wearable. But if you would like to wear this kind of look on an everyday basis, you feel free to powder your face because we can't look like this in everyday life. I mean, if you want to, it's up to you, but just don't. You look like this when you're sweaty and in fashion magazines. Alright, so this is actually, you might be laughing at me, but I got inspiration for this look from a lip sample that I have. This is Avon, and they do these lipstick samples, just tiny little lipstick samples, and I was just in love with this color, and it's the most beautiful purple shade, and the lipstick has such an incredible texture to it that I thought I'm going to try to create something with this. So I really want to pull the focus on the lips, so I'm going to do those first. So I'm going to use a lip brush first because that sample is so small I can't draw on my lips, the shape at least. So I did my basic shape. So now I'm going to take that little sample and color in, scribble in for full opacity. Now I have a black eyeliner, one that's almost finished, so that's why it's so teeny tiny. I want the lips to be full on, and I think you need some of that darkness on the outside. So let's try. I mean, it's makeup, you can take it off and start over. Even though I really don't want to. So I'm not just making a black line, I'm shading this inwards, so it kind of creates dimension. And I'm going to coat the lips one more time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scribble some on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use my foundation brush. Still has some foundation on it. I'm just going to add that to the cheek. Okay, so that's a blush kind of really high on the cheek. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to take this eyeshadow. I just worked a little bit of that brown into the bristles, and I'm just going to add it right here on the outer corner. This is going to create a very subtle socket line. I do have this highlight palette and I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to take it into the same fluffy brush and I'm just going to dust it on the eyelid. Look how much beautiful shine there is in this highlighter. Now I'm going to take a big fluffy brush with the same highlight, but also very small amount because this will actually turn your cheek purple. So I'm just going to take a very small amount and just add it as a highlight and up to the brow, but I'm diffusing it a lot. I think this is a mesmerizing effect. Now I'm going to add 7W from Kryolan. It's a TV grade stick foundation. I'm going to take this kind of dome brush. I want this to be very diffused. Now I've decided I'm taking some of that highlight again. I'm just going to go above my brow a little higher with highlighting, because that just kind of gives like this ethereal look when you turn It's like a, you know, I mean, this skin is not exactly wearable, but also if you pair it with your normal foundation routine, then the lips and the eyes will be completely wearable. Now I'm just going to take a brown eyeliner. I want to add it to the top waterline. Right, so now I'm gonna curl my lashes. I just want mascara on the top. If you get any on the bottom lashes, then take it off straight away. Actually, less mascara the better, and I'm just feathering out those outer corners just to make sure that they are as tapered as possible. So this is not lashlicious look, you know. Your lashes should be painted, but they are not the start of the show. The star are the lips. So you also don't have to wear mascara. I mean, it's just society. It makes us. Now I'm just going to do my eyebrows, and I'm using eyebrow gel and eyeliner, eyebrow pencil. I'm just going to fill in a couple of spots. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think this came out really good. It's really editorial, but you can make it wearable if you want. So I'm really happy with the results, and I hope you guys liked it too. Hit the like button and the notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. Subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials, and I will see you next time.